In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew domains Bluehost. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account, how to select the right domain, and how to complete payment confidently so your website stays online without interruption. Start on your Bluehost account home. From the dashboard, head into My Account. This is your central hub for everything you've purchased, and it's where renewal options live. Once you're there, open the billing section. The Billing Center lists all your active products, including domains, along with their pricing and expiration dates. It's a good place to quickly verify which domain is coming up for renewal and how much time is left. Renewing before the expiration simply adds time to your current term, so you won't lose any remaining days. Find the domain you want to renew. If you manage more than one, take a moment to double check the exact name and the expiration date, especially if similar domains are in your account. Next, click the three dots to the right of that domain. That menu holds your available actions. Choose Renew Now. This takes you to the checkout flow with the renewal details pulled in for the selected domain. You'll typically see the renewal price and the term details right on the screen, so scan that summary to make sure everything looks right. On the account information page, you can change your payment method. If you have a saved card, select it. Otherwise, choose the option to add a new one. Make sure the billing address matches what your bank has on file to avoid declines. If you're using a company card, confirm that the cardholder's details are entered correctly. When you're ready, proceed with Renew. This confirms that you're moving forward with the domain renewal using the payment method you've selected. If you have a promo code, enter it in the promo code field and apply it. Wait a moment for the total to refresh and make sure the discount appears before you continue. If the code isn't valid for domains or for this term length, the price won't change, so don't be alarmed. Just proceed without it if needed. Finally, click Submit Payment to complete your renewal. Keep the page open until you see the confirmation. You should receive a confirmation message on screen and an email receipt shortly after. Back in your billing center, the domain's expiration date will update to reflect the new term. That's it, your domain is renewed, your site remains accessible, and you're good to go. If you ever need to renew another domain, just repeat these same steps from the billing center for a quick, stress-free checkout.